Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on keep screen on while viewing function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to turn on this function? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced options, advanced features here, and in motion and gestures menu we have our keep screen on while viewing. What does it do? Exactly what it's described. So keep the screen on while you're looking at it using your front camera to detect your face. So let's turn it on. And now, even if you have screensavers or screen lock, the phone won't turn off as long as we are looking at the screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.